Welcome to my channel. This video part 2. You can check the channel for part 3. Don't forget to subscribe. Jeans.
Jeans.
She wore a stylish pair of jeans to the casual gathering.
Jeans.
14th.
14th.
The event is scheduled for the 14th of the month.
14th.
Reserve.
Reserve.
I need to reserve a table for 2 at the restaurant.
Reserve.
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
Building a strong vocabulary is essential for effective communication.
Vocabulary.
Reasonable.
Reasonable.
The price of the product is quite reasonable for its quality.
Reasonable.
Freshly.
Freshly.
I baked a batch of cookies that are still warm and freshly made.
Freshly.
Beat up.
Beat up.
His car was badly beat up after the accident.
Beat up.
Fill out.
Fill out.
Please fill out this form with your personal information.
Fill out.
Institution.
Institution.
She works at a reputable educational institution.
Institution.
Fever.
Fever.
A high fever often indicates an underlying infection.
Fever.
Woman.
Woman.
The woman in the red dress caught everyone's attention.
Woman.
Mirror.
Mirror.
I check my appearance in the mirror before leaving.
Mirror.
Estimate.
Estimate.
Can you give me a rough estimate of the cost?
Estimate.
Screw.
Screw.
The screw came loose and needed to be tightened.
Screw.
Go off.
Go off.
The alarm clock will go off at 7 a.m.
Go off.
Invent.
Invent.
Thomas Edison was known for his ability to invent new technologies.
Invent.
Flour.
Flour.
I need to buy some flour to bake a cake.
Flour.
Number.
Number.
The number of participants in the event exceeded our expectations.
Number.
Disease.
Disease.
Many diseases can be prevented through vaccination.
Disease.
Goal.
Goal.
Setting clear goals helps to stay focused and motivated.
Goal.
Punishment.
Punishment.
The teacher gave him detention as a punishment for misbehaving.
Punishment.
Publishing.
Publishing.
The book is in the final stages of publishing.
Publishing.
Traditional.
Traditional.
Our family has a traditional recipe for Thanksgiving turkey.
Traditional.
Put off.
Put off.
Don't put off studying until the last minute.
Put off.
Shine.
Shine.
The sun began to shine brightly after the rain stopped.
Shine.
Trace.
Trace.
Detectives tried to trace the origin of the mysterious letter.
Trace.
Go with.
Go with.
The red dress goes well with her complexion.
Go with.
Stir.
Stir.
Stir the mixture gently until all the ingredients are combined.
Stir.
Desperate.
Desperate.
They were in a desperate situation and needed help.
Desperate.
Approach.
Approach.
Her approach to problem solving is innovative and effective.
Approach.
Logic.
Logic.
He used logical reasoning to solve the complex puzzle.
Logic.
Onion.
Onion.
The smell of sautéing onions filled the kitchen.
Onion.
Initially.
Initially.
Initially, I was hesitant to try the new restaurant.
Initially.
Narrow.
Narrow.
The path through the forest became narrow as we went deeper.
Narrow.
Strip.
Strip.
She tore off a strip of paper to take a quick note.
Strip.
Meat.
Meat.
The butcher displayed a variety of fresh meat cuts.
Meat.
Potentially.
Potentially.
The discovery could potentially revolutionize the field.
Potentially.
Brush.
Brush.
She used a brush to smooth her hair before the party.
Brush.
Mess.
Mess.
The children made a mess while playing with paint.
Mess.
Apart from.
Apart from.
Apart from a few minor issues, the event went smoothly.
Apart from.
Go away.
Go away.
Please don't go away. We're almost finished talking.
Go away.
Here.
Here.
I'm here to assist you with any questions you have.
Here.
Disagree.
Disagree.
It's okay to disagree as long as you respect each other's opinions.
Disagree.
Wounded.
Wounded.
The wounded soldiers were transported to the medical facility.
Wounded.
Post.
Post.
I will post the package at the post office tomorrow.
Post.
Injure.
Injure.
The fall caused him to injure his ankle.
Injure.
Show.
Show.
The art gallery will show the works of local artists.
Show.
Settle down.
Settle down.
After many years of traveling, she decided to settle down in a small town.
Settle down.
Loud.
Loud.
The music at the concert was so loud that my ears were ringing.
Loud.
Father.
Father.
My father taught me how to ride a bike when I was young.
Father.
See.
See.
I can't see anything without my glasses.
See.
Pollution.
Pollution.
Air pollution is a major environmental concern.
Pollution.
Exaggerate.
Exaggerate.
He tends to exaggerate when telling stories.
exaggerate,
Call for.
call for,
The situation calls for immediate action.
call for,
Rider.
rider,
The horse and its rider gracefully cleared the fence.
rider,
Heavily.
heavily,
The storm hit the region heavily, causing widespread damage.
heavily,
Wheel.
wheel,
He replaced the front wheel of his bicycle.
wheel,
Sentence.
sentence,
The judge handed down a light sentence for the minor offense.
sentence,
Valley.
valley,
The picturesque valley was surrounded by towering mountains.
valley,
Battle.
battle,
The soldiers fought valiantly in the fierce battle.
battle,
Border.
border,
The river forms a natural border between the two countries.
border,
Stomach.
stomach,
Eating too quickly can lead to an upset stomach.
stomach,
General.
general,
The general consensus was that the plan needed further refinement.
general,
Retired.
retired,
After a long career, he finally retired from his job.
retired,
Breed.
breed,
They decided to breed their 2 dogs to produce puppies.
breed,
Softly.
softly,
She spoke softly to avoid waking the sleeping baby.
softly,
Tunnel.
tunnel,
The train passed through a dark tunnel before emerging into daylight.
tunnel,
Market.
market,
The farmer's market is open every Saturday morning.
market,
Bowl.
bowl,
I enjoy a bowl of cereal with fresh fruit for breakfast.
bowl,
Criminal.
criminal,
The detective was determined to catch the criminal.
criminal,
Importantly.
importantly,
More importantly, the project was completed on time.
importantly,
Both.
both,
Both of my siblings are studying abroad this semester.
both,
Fail.
fail,
I studied hard so that I wouldn't fail the exam.
fail,
Minimum.
minimum,
The store has a minimum purchase requirement for the discount.
minimum,
Dot.
dot,
She placed a small dot next to the important information.
dot,
Embarrass.
embarrass,
I accidentally embarrassed myself by tripping in front of everyone.
embarrass,
Show up.
show up,
Don't forget to show up for the team meeting tomorrow.
show up,
Parallel.
parallel,
The 2 roads run parallel to each other for miles.
parallel,
Black.
black,
She was dressed in a stylish black gown for the event.
black,
Park.
park,
Let's meet at the park for a picnic on Saturday.
Park.
Define.
Define.
Can you help me define the meaning of this word?
Define.
Depress.
Depress.
The constant rain seemed to depress everyone's mood.
Depress.
Frightened.
Frightened.
The loud noise frightened the small child.
Frightened.
Photo.
Photo.
I took a photo of the beautiful sunset at the beach.
Photo.
February.
February.
My birthday is in February, which is a cold month.
February.
Rich.
Rich.
The chocolate cake was incredibly rich and delicious.
Rich.
Achieve.
Achieve.
With determination, you can achieve your goals.
Achieve.
Shift.
Shift.
He works the night shift at the hospital.
Shift.
Sexually.
Sexually.
The book discusses the psychological effects of sexually explicit content.
Sexually.
Invitation.
Invitation.
I received an invitation to the wedding next month.
Invitation.
Hang about with.
Hang about with.
She likes to hang about with a diverse group of friends.
Hang about with.
Policy.
Policy.
The company has a strict policy against harassment.
Policy.
Clerk.
Clerk.
The clerk at the store was friendly and helpful.
Clerk.
Mom.
Mum.
My mom bakes the best apple pie in town.
Mum.
Carefully.
Carefully.
She handled the fragile vase very carefully.
Carefully.
Clothes.
Clothes.
I need to do laundry. My clothes are dirty.
Clothes.
Rude.
Rude.
It's rude to interrupt someone while they're speaking.
Rude.
Right.
Right.
Everyone deserves the right to a fair trial.
Right.
Other.
Other.
The other option is more cost-effective.
Other.
Sort.
Sort.
Can you help me sort these documents by date?
Sort.
Thanks for watching.